Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KGR, welcome to my YouTube channel. Monday morning after Easter, here we are again. Today I'm working on this 2014 is a Nissan Maxima. I'm going to be replacing the alternator. I'm going to bring you guys along how to do this job. If you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube. And please do me a big favor. Anytime a commercial come on my video, please don't skip it. That's how I make my little dollar bringing this video. Please support me by doing that. 30 minutes, just 30 second commercial, 15 seconds. Just watch it. That's how I get my little dollar. I haven't said that, KG, you know my slogan. We're getting it right now. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is stick up the battery. Stick up the battery right there. We'll come right here, take up these 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Come right here, take off this hose. I already drained the radiator, but we're gonna take off this radiator hose. Take off this guy right here. But the reason why we're doing that, there's the harness of the alternator that we need to get to. Gonna be right at the bottom there, so without you doing this, you can't get there. So we take out this guy right here. And we're gonna come right here, squeeze this board. Sorry if my big head is blocking the video. Apologize for that. Squeeze this guy. To be very careful this radiator filling up. Sometimes this thing can be very fragile. Squeeze it down. Apply to see if I can grip it very well. Sometimes this thing can be squeeze that one down, so we're gonna try to squeeze this thing. Flash the door. Flash the door. Flash the door. Let's walk the way through there. You know, you have to be very careful with this thing. So now we're gonna take this guy. Move it all the way this way. Alright, so this is what I was doing there. Just want you guys to see right there. So I have to use a grip plier to grab it. So it's out now. So the reason why is I'm gonna be coming in here. So there's the 12 bolt there and the connector. So let's go underneath there and take off the belt. KG. So this adjuster right here is pretty easy to take care of. See, wash my hand. See right down here, there's a little hole there that we need to put this guy. If you have anything like this, when you put the adjuster, you put this in there to hold it, so you can be able to, you know, so the thing don't release back. So we're gonna go in there now. It's a 14, I believe. All right, so what I'm going to do is the adjuster is very stiff. I was trying to go all the way down there to put the hook, but apparently it's kind of stiff. I don't want it to break, so what I'm going to do is just slide the bed like that. From here, you might not see what I'm doing. Please, you know where to adjust the bed. And just gonna take it out like this so you don't break the adjuster. Yeah, because you're trying to do one thing, and the next thing something else is happening. So I'm going ahead and force out the bench from here. And release the bed. See the alternator bolt right here, the 14 bolt we're trying to get to. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do now is to lose this AC compressor here. We're going to disconnect this guy right here. Disconnect this guy. We're gonna lose this thing. Disconnect this guy. There's this two 14 bolt, and there's another one because we have to drop the compressor down. Drop it down because the alternator is going to come out through here. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, as you can see, took off the 14 bolt here, and there's a two right at the back there. So we drop this compressor. So the next thing we're going to do now, I took off this hose from here and disconnected it all the way down there now. So took off the connector here. So the compressor is dropped, but I don't think it's low as the way I want it. But by the time I take off the 14 bolt here and the one up there, then I will know if we need to come down some more. All right, KG. Right back. All right, so when you look down here, you see right where my hand is right there. There's a 12 knot that I need to take out there, and with this connector. So I'll be using this guy right here. Take off this 12 knots. Just go right there, and I'll use my gun on it. Okay. So there's a 14 bolts that I need to take out here now. So you can see right there. I already disconnected this. Once you lose this guy, then you disconnect this guy right here. Right here. Then you lose the 12th. Once we do that, we should be on our way. Okay. So there's the alternator right there. So now I'm gonna push this down like I was saying before. I'm gonna go down a little more, and then I'm gonna bring this guy down. Then try to drag it out there. All right, let me bring it out. So that's the old alternator that is out. All right, so this is the new alternator that we're gonna be replacing it with. Right there. The box is not here, so I'm not sure. Manufacturing in China. Yeah, here, China. 11341. That should be the part number right there. So one thing I'll advise you to do before you put this alternator in, just make sure you hit this guy, hit it backward so it flushes right here. So when you go in, so you don't have to drag, hanging it up. So I tap mine already. Then one thing I'm gonna measure as well, come down here. When I was bringing out the alternator, I was having a little problem. So when I was bringing out the alternator, I have a little problem over here. The space was kind of really tight. So what I did, underneath right here, see where my hand is? So I have to lose that frame with a 21, I believe. I lose that. Then I come down here also as well. Then I lose the one down there too. So the frame dropped down a little bit. That was how I was able to bring out the alternator, because the space here was a little tight. If you see, I dropped the compressor, but I was still having problem bringing it out. So the moment I lose that frame, so I have no room to put it back in. So I'm gonna go in there now. I'm gonna put this guy back in there, just like that. So sometimes you're having a problem. I remember the position, I think it was like this. I remember very well. But as soon as I get it in, I'll bring you guys. Alright, see the alternator is in right there now. So just gonna go there and put the alternator both. I'm gonna show you the both what it looks like. It looks like I have this hook right there. That's one coming from the inside. It's a little bit windy, please bear with me. I have no control of that. Apologize for that. Alright, the alternator is sitting right now. Both is bearing connected, so I'm just going to start. Put back the compressor. 14 volts right there. Start to reconnect everything. Alright, so we're going to start to reconnect everything back now. We'll come down here and start to reconnect everything back here, that you guys can see. So take out this from here. So I'm going to take out the spark plug from it and then reconnect it back right here. I have to take out this whole thing. Bring this, put it underneath there. There's some antifreeze is still gonna come out. So put this underneath there. I'm gonna take out this spark plug right here. The spark plug, I use it a lot, especially when I'm doing a radiator job. Let's see. I know it's gonna come out. So I'm gonna take this guy out. So it's still gonna come out there. I'll put this guy back in there. This is very good to use. Anytime you do like radiator job, keep them. So now we'll put that clip there. Blocking the way, all kind of crazy stuff going on here with believe. Here. There's a 10 bolt coming here. Anyway, I'm gonna put that 10 bolt there. There's only one there. Once I do that, I'm blocking the camera. I'm sorry about that. And there's a pulley coming down there. It's a freeze. So there's this guy coming right up here. Try that boy. Got a good balance. Spin it out. So we're gonna go on top now and connect the belt. I'll put the belt first. Alright, let's go up there. Right up here is just this connector right here. Put that ready, and the connector that goes in right here. Those are the two things. Now we're gonna start. We're gonna put the belts and come back and put up this hose. Wrap up this thing. And the belt is in now. The routing down there. I'll put a link right down there. How the belt goes in. Everything looks to be good. Let's go and go ahead and start the car. Let's fire the boy up. Looking good. It's a little noise coming on the lever from one of the pulleys. That's a good thing. Alright, that's it on this vehicle. Job is done. Please like, subscribe, comment questions, whatnot. KG, see you on my next episode. I am out.